It sure was a pleasant afternoon across the area, but it was a cold start this morning. Check out our low temperatures across the southeast. We began today in the low 30s across the coastal empire and low country, 32 in Savannah. In fact, all the way down to Brunswick, we briefly touched freezing. To our north, we had lows down into the 20s. But a different story setting up tonight. It's going to be quite a bit milder. In fact, the latest projected model temperatures for 7 a.m. in some places don't have it below 50. Although I do think many spots at some point tonight will dip down at least into the upper 40s. But the bottom line is it's just not going to be anywhere near as chilly when we head out the door in the morning, and we'll have a quick warm up. We've got some clouds approaching from the west, and these will just be some high clouds that will mix in with the stars overnight. There's no threat for any rain coming up soon, but this system here in the middle of the country will be gathering moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And we'll see quite a bit of wet weather out to our west as we head through the weekend. Let's take a look at what's going to happen. As we head through tomorrow, we're going to have a mix of sun and clouds. It's going to be a pretty mild afternoon. There you see some wet weather out to our west, maybe a few showers in Atlanta through 3 o'clock on Saturday. As we go through Sunday, an area of wet weather ahead of a cold front will be expanding eastward, but still be well to our west through 2 p.m. Looks like our best chance of rain with that will come as we go into Monday. So your weekend looks dry and it looks warm. Let's take a look at the temperature outlook. The red line tomorrow afternoon representing the 70-degree line should be right across our area through 2 o'clock. And over the weekend, it goes to our north during the afternoons. We'll be solidly in the 70s. Again, it wouldn't be surprised to see some places touch 80. Then a cold front will come through. Monday will be a transition day, and by Tuesday morning, this pink line represents freezing temperatures down to Atlanta by 7 a.m. on Tuesday. We're not going to get real cold for Christmas, but we are going to turn cooler as we head through Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. All right, for tomorrow, we're going to start off in the upper 40s. Fair and a little bit cool, but certainly not as cold as this morning. And then look at the warm up for tomorrow afternoon, getting up to 74. Plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds mixing in. High tide will occur in the morning at 9:36. Meanwhile, out on the water, our winds will be turning more to the south, pumping in warm air on land. Keep in mind, out on the water, there may be some occasional fog that develops because of the warmer temperatures. So there could be some areas of low visibility over the next 2 or 3 days if you have any boating plans. As far as your pollen report goes, just a little bit of tree and weed pollen are still showing up. And your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast has a warm weekend. Highs in the upper 70s and possibly touching 80. And then rain is likely on Monday as our cold front comes through. And then we'll turn cooler for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, with highs dropping to around 60.